Wagwan people, welcome to St. Anne's, Jamaica. We're about to do something I've always wanted to do, and that's just cook in the middle of nature, in the bush. So I ain't got too much stuff, I'm not gonna lie. So I think let's make up a fresh coconut curry chicken. There's no access to the running water around here, so you know we're gonna do it bush style. In the fresh river water. 2 whole Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna leave out the seeds. I'll tell you what, you can't beat the smell of a Scotch bonnet pepper. Wow. But look, I'm cooking alongside that. This is crazy, man. I'll tell you, people, I can't get enough of this. It's smashed up, simple as that. Here I've got some good quality Jamaican curry powder. Yeah, man, we have heat. It's gonna render the fat in this chicken skin. Like, nothing goes to waste out here, people. When you're working in nature, you have to deal with anything that happens. So we've got wind coming everywhere, so we've just built a nice little makeshift windbreak to get the heat back in the kitchen. Look at the colour of that. Vibrancy. We have a lot of chicken here and not much heat at all. Look at all that liquid, man. Yeah, man, look at that. Now let's get our fresh coconut water into our curry. Look at that. Man, I forgot to put the thyme in the curry. You know, we have to just wash it in the river water. I've made curry chicken a lot of times in my lifetime. This is just gonna be the best one ever.